Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to perform a low-level format on Insta360 X5. A low-level format will not only erase all the data on your SD card, but also optimize the performance of your SD card. Because after some usage of the SD card, once you use it more and more, it reads and writes data to the SD card a lot, and a quick format may be enough to delete files, but may make your card a bit slower. So low-level format will optimize the performance of the SD card. To do it, slide down from the top of your screen, then go to Settings in top right corner and go to SD card. Click on low-level format, then click on Next. Now wait a moment. It may take a while, especially if that card is big and it has some files on it. My card doesn't have files on it, so it won't take too much. But yeah, let's click on format. Yeah, you can see it didn't take a long time, but it's because I didn't have any files on it and it's just a 60GB card. And I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next one.